Hello dear SSC aspirants. So in this video, we are going to see another formula based questions. In the earlier two videos, I think we have discussed the problem based on A plus B the whole square formula. Now in this video, we are going to discuss problems based on A minus B the whole square formula, and that too is a very simple identity. Um, we all know that A minus B the whole square formula from the school onwards we have been studying. So this formula A minus B the whole square, that is equal to what? A square plus B square minus 2AB. This is the formula. So using this formula, we are going to solve the question. Okay. So look at this question. What they have given: x square plus 1 by x square is 38. Then what is the value of x minus 1 by x? That's what they are asking. Okay. Now let's answer this. Simple only. Just you have to write the formula, substitute the values, get the answer. Just a simplification. So they're asking x minus 1 by x. They have given x square plus 1 by x square. So x minus 1 by x the whole square using a minus b the whole square formula. In the place of a, we have x. In the place of b, we have 1 by x. So if I expand it, what is the I will be getting? X square plus 1 by x square. It is a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2x into 1 by x. So this x will get cancelled. Okay. X minus 1 by this is what we wanted to find. So let us keep this one as it is. This is equal to x square plus 1 by x square value. They have given us what? 38 minus 2. So you have x minus 1 by x the whole square, that is equal to 36. Then what is your x minus 1 by x? So it's going to be plus or minus square root of 36, which is nothing but plus or minus 6. But they have given only options in plus. So we'll take one plus 6. So answer is going to be 6 is the answer for this. Okay. So we'll see one more problem based on the same identity. Okay. Let's take this question. If x minus 2y is 3, xy is 5, find the value of x square minus 4y square. Okay. So first let me start with this formula, that is x minus 2y the whole square. So I'm going to make use of the formula a minus b the whole square formula. In the place of a we have x. In the place of b we have what? 2y. Now if I expand using that identity, what is the value? X square plus 2y the whole square, b square, a square, b square minus 2 into ab. So it is going to be x into 2y. So 2ab. So I have applied the formula. Now they have given x minus 2y. X minus 2y value is 3. So it's going to be 3 square. This is equal to x square plus 2y the whole square is going to be 4y square minus 2 into 2 is going to be 4. 4. 4 into xy. So from here what we have is x square plus 4y square. This is going to be 9 plus. This is what 4 or else I write here 4 into xy. Xy value what they are given is going to be what? 5. Okay. So let us keep this one, it's 9 itself. Now it's 9 plus. So 4 into 5, 20 minus 20 this side. When you bring it to the left hand side, it's going to become 1 plus 20. This is equal to x square plus 4y square. So it's going to be 29. This is what you want, x square plus 4y square. So from here we have x square plus 4y square, only we are able to find it. But they are asking x square minus 4y square. X square minus 4y square we have not got it. We got only x square plus 4y square only we got it. So in that case, what is that we are going to do? Suppose if I take Suppose if I take like this, x square minus 4y square whole square. If I take like this, then if I expand it, now in the place of A we have x square, in the place of B we have 4y square. If we expand using A minus B the whole square formula, it's going to be what? X square the whole square is going to be x power 4, then plus 4y square the whole square. It's going to be 16y power 4 minus 2 into a value is x square plus b value is 4y square. This is what we have. That is our x square minus 4y square the whole square. This is equal to x power 4 plus 16y power 4 minus, it's going to be what? 8 x square y square we have. Okay. So we have only x square plus 4y square values 29. But we don't have value for what? X square, x power 4 plus 16 y power 4. That value we don't know. But we have this x square y square can be written as what? So that means x square minus 4 y square the whole square. This is equal to x power 4 plus 16 y power 4 minus 4 into, see, this one can be written as 8 into xy the whole square. The xy value we know it's going to be 5. So it's going to be what? 5 square. That we know. So of course it is going to be 25 into here 8. 25 into 8, it's going to be 200. That's what we will be having. Okay. But if we know this value, then only we can proceed, we can find this answer. We don't know that also. So that one we are going to find it using, so let it be as it is. Okay, let it be this one. I'll stop here. Now, in order to find this value, what I'm going to do is I'll take this one, that is x square plus 4y square the whole square. If I expand this, now I'm using a plus b the whole square formula. In the place of a, I have x square. In the place of a, I have 4y square. I'm going to square it. So it's going to be what? X power 4 plus 16y power 4. That is x square the whole square. 4y square the whole square. Then plus 2ab. So shall I write directly 2ab? So 2 into 4 is going to be 8. And then it's going to be x square y square. Okay, so I'll write a little bit here. Now I have x square plus y square the whole square. This value I know it's going to be what? 29. So it's 29 the whole square. This is equal to, now I have here x power 4 plus 16 y power 4 plus 8 into, so it's what? X square y square means xy the whole square. Xy value is 5. That was going to be 5 square. So it's going to be 25 into 8 is 200. Now 29 the whole square. 29 the whole square is going to be 841 minus. So if you bring this 200 inside, it's going to be x power 4 plus 16 y power 4, which means you are x power 4 plus 16 y power 4, it's going to be 641. Okay. This value is 641. Now I can substitute here. So my x square minus 4 y square the whole square, this value is going to be 641 minus this value is what? 200, which means my x square minus 4 y square, this is equal to, this is what? 441. If I take square root on both sides, it's going to be what? Square root of 441, which means it's going to be 21. Now, x square minus 4y square value is going to be 21. So answer is going to be 21. Option D is the answer. So in this problem, we have applied a minus b the whole square formula as well as a plus b the whole square formula successfully. And then again we are applying a minus b the whole square formula in order to get the answer. This is the answer for this question. Okay. Now I have one question for you to answer. This is the question. Try to answer this question. Thank you.